Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying system audio so OBS has a clean signal. Open sound settings, pick the correct device, and make sure it isn't muted or used exclusively by another app. In OBS, add audio input capture for your microphone and audio output capture for system sound, selecting the exact device names. Once done, check OBS audio settings and set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz so Windows and OBS match. Mismatches cause drift or silence. Now you route and balance. Open the audio mixer, enable monitoring for each source so you can hear what's captured, and watch input levels while speaking to avoid clipping. If voice is delayed, use sync offset in milliseconds to align mic and desktop audio. Small adjustments fix lip sync. For complex setups, inspect your audio interface or virtual cable routing to ensure tracks aren't duplicated. Make sure exclusive mode is off in the OS to prevent device lock by other apps, which kills audio in OBS. Finish by validating with short test recordings at your intended bitrate and review the waveform and playback. If you still get no audio, restart OBS and your audio device, swap cables or USB ports, and retest. Hardware ports often fix failed enumeration. If problems persist, update audio drivers, disable conflicting apps that capture audio, and as a last resort, reset OBS settings or create a clean profile to isolate configuration errors. One tip: check the Windows volume mixer for app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.